Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for the best Vidnoz discount coupon code, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to grab the maximum discount code for Vidnoz AI in just a few simple steps. Stick around, it's super quick and easy. Vidnoz is an amazing tool that helps you turn scripts, blogs, or even long-form videos into engaging, shareable content. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or entrepreneur, it saves time and boosts creativity. To get the best Vidnoz coupon code, all you need to do is follow me step by step. Whether you're going with any Vidnoz subscription plan, the coupon code is working for all. So, let's begin with this video. Step 1. Scroll down to the description box of this video. You'll find a special link waiting for you there. Click on it, and it'll take you directly to the page where you can grab your discount code. Once you land on the site, choose the option that suits your need, and then click on Activate Deal button. It's right there in front of you. Click it, and the magic begins. And there you have it. Your exclusive Vidnoz discount deal has been activated. Now you can check out and enjoy your savings on this fantastic tool. So, what are you waiting for? Scroll down, click the link in the description, and claim your Vidnoz AI discount code now. It's the easiest way to save while unlocking the power of AI video creation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel,